Like you watch your tungsten, right? And that's how it's walking.
Yeah, I guess the diameter.
So the diameter of the cup changes how wide you can actually get that weave to. If I went to a smaller cup, like something like this guy here, like this is the number 8, I believe. Yeah, number 8 cup. So first of all, I'd have to bring my tungsten weight in because to keep your proper angle on that torch. So now, see how much. I wish I had a pen because it would show you.
Yeah.
But you know what I could do? Is maybe just do something on the table real quick. The table's going to be a little bit dirty. Now I'm going to show you the same thing, walking the cup, but with a larger cup. So this is the 14. Sorry, no, this is the BBW. I don't know how big this actually works out to be. If it's like a 16 or 15, I have to look that up. I forget. But now I can go with a lot larger of a stick out. So basically you would just get your desired stick out, like holding it at about an angle like so. So this isn't touching my arm. Watch how wide it ends up being with this cup.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, obviously, get your heat settings dialed in.
Mm-hmm.
This is also a super rusty, shitty table. But, like, even if I was on here, I'll probably just do it on one thing I did forget to mention, too, is that you want to turn your gas flow up a little bit.
Okay.
These diffusers actually allow you to turn up your gas flow without it causing turbulence in your weld, if that makes sense, because it diffuses it rather than it shoots it.
Yeah.
And it doesn't create all that turbulence. Eric, I think, actually has some pretty good videos of it. I think I've seen it on TikTok or something.
Yeah.
But anyway, and the whole point of this cup is to allow you to have a larger stick out, right?
Okay.
So you can have quite a crazy stick out using these larger cups with the diffusers, right? Towards the end, I started getting a little bit wider.
Yeah, it wasn't drawing anything.
But like, you could see like how obvious it's getting good gas coverage. It's not.